So what I found is finding it hard to make the hole there and put the screw that I need there, because there's not enough depth on here, as in along there. Not enough depth to do what I want to do, to be honest with you. Don't know why it's not working. So I decided to cut these up. I found these, cut this up and put it there so it'll be like this. It's makes it a bit more bigger, and do it that way. I know the piston's going to be out of it, but it should still work. I'm going to drill and tap this right through so I've got no more problems. How will I put it onto here? Not sure if I should just braze it on or do something anyway. Okay guys, so I'm going to make the flywheel with this brass. I'm thinking of not leaving a recess so you need to put a grub screw in. I'm going to leave it without a grub screw. Worst come to worst, I'll drill down that way and put a grub screw if I have to. I'm thinking of making it quite narrow, like maybe ½ inch or something like that. And also I got to bring it down to about 2 1/4 inch in the width. So I'm not going to video everything, but I'll video odds and ends. So guys, just got this cut off here from this side here, and that's it there. So I've got to make it right on both sides. I'll try to put this on this end here, but it's not big enough to hold it, and I don't know how I'm going to do this now. How to get that straight there. You see, with these jaws, this goes in and it's loose. That's as tight as it can go. I know someone will be screaming at me now and saying, pack it, so I did pack it, and there you go, holds it nicely. I'll probably put holes in it yet, but I'm going to leave it there for now.